Hidden potential is a concept that has intrigued and inspired individuals for generations. It suggests that within each of us lies untapped abilities, talents, and possibilities waiting to be uncovered. This notion of hidden potential transcends age, gender, and background, promising that anyone can achieve remarkable things if they can only unlock their inner potential. But how do we access this hidden potential, and what is the key to realizing it? In this motivational exploration, we will delve into the elements that can help you unlock your hidden potential and unleash the best version of yourself. 1. Self-awareness, the first step. To unlock your hidden potential, you must first gain a deep understanding of yourself. This involves acknowledging your strengths, weaknesses, interests, and passions. Self-awareness is like a compass that guides you towards your true calling. It allows you to recognize where your potential might lie and which areas you need to develop. Begin by asking yourself important questions. What are your core values? What excites you? What are your long-term goals and aspirations? Reflecting on these questions will help you connect with your inner self and lay the foundation for your journey. 2. Embrace challenges. The path to realizing your hidden potential is not always smooth. In fact, it often involves confronting challenges and obstacles that test your resilience and determination. Embracing challenges is an essential part of unlocking your potential. These challenges push you beyond your comfort zone and force you to tap into your hidden reserves of strength and creativity. Instead of fearing challenges, view them as opportunities for growth. When you encounter obstacles, remember that they are the stepping stones to your hidden potential. As you overcome each hurdle, you become more resilient, adaptable, and confident, unlocking new layers of your potential. 3. Continuous learning. One of the keys to unlocking your hidden potential is a commitment to lifelong learning. Never stop acquiring new knowledge and skills. Whether it's through formal education, self-study, or learning from experiences, the more you learn, the more versatile and capable you become. Learning opens new doors and exposes you to different perspectives. It enables you to adapt to changing circumstances and seize opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. A curious and open mind is a powerful tool in uncovering your hidden potential. 4. Goal setting. Setting clear and achievable goals is a fundamental aspect of realizing your hidden potential. Goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. When you set specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, you create a roadmap for your journey of self-discovery. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small achievement brings you closer to your ultimate potential. Regularly revisit and adjust your goals to reflect your changing aspirations and evolving potential. 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Your hidden potential often lies beyond the boundaries of your comfort zone. To unlock it, you must be willing to step out of familiar territory and into uncharted waters. This may involve taking risks, trying new things, or pursuing opportunities that initially seem daunting. By pushing your boundaries, you not only discover new skills and abilities, but also gain a sense of accomplishment and self-confidence. The more you embrace discomfort, the more you'll unveil your hidden potential. 6. Passion and persistence. Passion is the fuel that drives you towards your hidden potential. When you are passionate about something, you are more likely to invest time and effort in it. Your passion becomes a driving force that propels you forward, even in the face of setbacks and failures. Persistence is equally important. The journey to unlocking your hidden potential is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be moments when you doubt yourself, but persistence helps you overcome these doubts and stay committed to your goals. 7. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with can have a profound impact on your journey to unlock your hidden potential. Seek out a supportive network of friends, mentors, and like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Positivity and encouragement can be invaluable resources during challenging times. On the flip side, distance yourself from negativity and individuals who undermine your self-belief. Surrounding yourself with positivity can create an environment that nurtures your potential and encourages you to keep moving forward. 8. Mindfulness and resilience. In the pursuit of your hidden potential, it's essential to stay mindful and resilient. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, allowing you to appreciate your progress and learn from your experiences. Resilience enables you to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to change. Practice mindfulness through meditation, journaling, or simply taking moments to reflect on your journey. Develop resilience by acknowledging that failures are learning opportunities and that setbacks are a natural part of growth. 9. Take inspired action. Unlocking your hidden potential is not a passive process. It requires you to take inspired action. Once you've identified your goals and passions, create a plan and take the first steps. Action is what turns potential into reality. Remember that action doesn't always mean big leaps. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant progress over time. Every step you take brings you closer to your full potential. 10. Celebrate your achievements. Throughout your journey, it's essential to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your progress reinforces your self-confidence and motivation. Celebrations provide the positive reinforcement needed to continue unlocking your hidden potential. 11. Mentorship and role models. Having mentors and role models can be a powerful catalyst in unlocking your hidden potential. Seek guidance and inspiration from individuals who have walked a similar path or achieved what you aspire to. Their experiences and insights can provide valuable shortcuts and insights that can accelerate your growth. Additionally, mentorship can offer accountability and support on your journey. 12. Adaptability and resilience. In the face of ever-changing circumstances, adaptability and resilience become critical in realizing your hidden potential. Life is unpredictable, and your path may not always go as planned. Being adaptable allows you to pivot, change course, and find new opportunities in unexpected situations. Resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks and maintain your focus and determination, even when faced with adversity. 13. Network and collaboration. Collaboration with others can be a dynamic force in unlocking your hidden potential. Building a network of individuals with diverse skills and perspectives can provide unique opportunities and challenges that you might not encounter on your own. Through collaboration, you can combine your strengths with others to achieve remarkable results and tap into new dimensions of your potential. 14. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear and self-doubt can be significant barriers to realizing your hidden potential. Recognize that these emotions are natural, but don't let them paralyze you. Instead, use them as motivation to push through your limitations. Understand that it's okay to fail and that every failure is a stepping stone to success. Overcoming fear and doubt is an integral part of your journey to unlock your potential. 15. Time management and prioritization. Efficient time management and prioritization are essential skills for maximizing your potential. In a world filled with distractions and demands, it's crucial to allocate your time and energy to the activities that matter most. Identify your top priorities and allocate sufficient time and focus to them. Time management can help you make steady progress toward your goals and avoid spreading yourself too thin. In conclusion, unlocking your hidden potential is a lifelong journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about uncovering the unique talents, skills, and qualities that make you exceptional. The process may be challenging at times, but the rewards are immeasurable. As you embark on this journey, Remember that potential is not a fixed state. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving concept. Your hidden potential is waiting to be realized, and the key lies within you. Self-awareness, embracing challenges, continuous learning, goal setting, stepping out of your comfort zone, passion, persistence, positivity, mindfulness, resilience, and inspired action are the tools that will help you unlock your hidden potential and live a life that truly reflects your capabilities and aspirations. Start your journey today and embrace the incredible person you are meant to become.